Greetings and welcome to a brand new video. In the previous video we talked about taking action when manifesting and if we have to take action or not. Feel free to check it out. So in today's episode we will be explaining about inspired action, what it means and how to know if an action is in fact inspired. So stay tuned until the end, but now let's get started. Now, as we already saw in the previous video, Neville with the term action means the process of creating an imaginal act, the feeling of the wish fulfilled and staying faithful to our assumptions. Simply, we don't take action. Action is something that happens automatically. Everything happens automatically. After that, simply there is nothing we can do or any further action to take to aid with the realization of our desire. Why? Our assumptions and state of being is what determines the manifestation. You think that you can do something, you want to do something, but actually you can do nothing. What is crucial to realize is that the feeling of the wish fulfilled that comes after a successful imaginal act and assumption of the state is what will make the assumption crystallize into the 3D. How is this connected to inspired action? Now, pay close attention to this part. Your assumptions, conscious or unconscious, direct all thought and action to their fulfillment. As you see, your assumptions are the ones that will direct your thoughts and actions, so your assumptions come into fruition. If you have successfully assumed or created an imaginal act, gotten in the assumed state, then your thoughts and actions will be directed by them to be realized. A bridge of incidents will compel you to take this inspired action. Now, how do you actually know if an action is inspired or not? Inspired action is going to come naturally, with no effort from you. Most of the times you will be guided to this action without conscious effort or strain. It will just happen. The illusion of the free will to do is but ignorance of the law of assumption upon which all action is based. Everything happens automatically. All that befalls you, all that is done by you, happens. And that was the end of our video. Don't forget, if you enjoy this kind of content, you can always leave a like, subscribe to the channel and of course turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to leave your suggestions in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.